Welcome back to Hero Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix some of the update errors like 0x80070422 and 0x800724a105802400420 and 0x80240105 and 8024000420. So I'm having a complete solution for all the errors. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to go here in the services and in the search, and you have to go for services, and from here you just have to go to Windows Update, and as you can see that it is on manual. So what you have to do is you just have to check for it as it is running, so or else you can go for automatic and you can go for apply and go for OK, and most probably the issue will be fixed. If it's not working, then what you have to do is after doing this you just have to go here in the settings and go to settings. Now go to update and security, and from here you have to go for advanced option, and from here as you can see that just click any kind of these to get the notifications. And also apart from this you just have to go for this one, you just have to turn this off. Okay, and you can turn this off and show notifications when the PCs are getting the updates. And also you can go for privacy settings, and also you can change here if you need any kind of thing. So this is what you have to do, and this is what in most probably you have to do after this. So this is in some cases this won't work, so you'll be having some kind of issues. So don't worry, we have another steps. So the next step is all about you just have to go for Windows Update, right? So you just have to go for Windows Update, and you have to type for Windows Update. So or else you just have to search in the case also find Windows Update. In some cases you just have to go for find Windows Update or check for updates, and most probably you'll be having any kind of issues over here. For example, here you have any kind of issues, you can directly go back and you can go for troubleshoot, and we can do from here itself. So some cases the troubleshoot can be fixing an issue in most of the cases, and also additional troubleshooters can also be done if you're having any kind of issues regarding things. So Windows Update, as you can see, just run the troubleshooter, and most probably if any kind of issues, internal issues are there, this will be detecting the problems and this will help you to resolve the issue. Once after trying this, if it's not still working on your PC, then you just have to go for the next one. So the next one is all about you just have to go to this PC and you just have to go to lock address C, and from here you have to go to Windows, and from here you just have to go for software distribution. You just have to go for software distributions, and from here you just have to click on download, and as you can see this is a notification. You just have to select this and completely delete all these files, and once after that you just have to go here and go for a restart, and most probably the issues regarding all this will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.